The story of Himalayan pink salt begins over 250 million years ago when the ancient oceans slowly evaporated, leaving behind vast mineral deposits. Through millions of years of tectonic movements, these deposits became part of the Himalayas. Today, these mines contain some of the world's purest salt, untouched by pollution. Unlike table salt, Himalayan pink salt is carefully extracted from mines, especially in Pakistan's Punjab region, where the largest deposits are found. Miners use traditional methods, such as hand tools and controlled explosions, to break large chunks of salt away from the rock walls without contamination. Once extracted, the salt is sorted by hand to remove impurities and then graded by color and size. The process is highly labor-intensive, preserving the salt's natural purity and distinctive pink color, which comes from trace minerals like iron, potassium, and magnesium. After sorting, the salt is either left in large chunks or ground into fine grains. It is carefully packaged to maintain its natural properties and then shipped worldwide, reaching kitchens and wellness centers across the globe. Himalayan pink salt is not only a popular choice in cooking for its rich taste, but is also valued in wellness practices. Many believe that its minerals help balance the body, support hydration, and even improve skin when used in baths. Himalayan salt lamps have also become popular, providing a warm glow and believed benefits for air quality. From ancient oceans to modern kitchens, Himalayan pink salt is more than just a seasoning. It's a symbol of natural purity and timeless beauty. Next time you sprinkle a bit of this pink treasure, remember the journey it took to get to your table.